that Jennifer. This one's called Jennifer Nice. Then they call me, I call her Jennifer Bad. Jennifer Mobiliki of Deutschland. And Osaro and the wife. 90 years old. Osaro brother. Osaro wife brother called me. Say I beg. Make her remove his sister picture. Come off my platform. Come off for this Facebook matter. This Osaro atrocity matter. Say don't be his sister. Now go commit adulterous. So now Osaro go commit adulterous. We go sleep with person wife. Not be in sister. Say I beg. Me I remove his sister. Photograph. Me I know the bring sister. Come on the bring Osaro and only Osaro the come out. Now I call letter and talk finish. Now I call and say, bros, Osaro come marry a woman for your hand, for your family hand. Are you trying to separate them now? He said, man shall leave the father and the mother and cleave with the wife, and they shall become what? One. That's the verse of the Bible. What happens to Osaro? What happens to the wife? What happens to the wife? Happens to Osaro. Is that not true? Say yes. Now let her know, say, Oga, una will be police officer. If una come house, armed robber did that house. The landlord will give the armed robber house. He not know say the man the time people for house now armed robber. If una want to arrest, you people are arresting everybody in that house. Una go to investigate. Now only one person buy mobile. All the people that were investigated are dead. The one that buy mobile. Now the money go answer query. The other guy go answer query. Everybody in wife, including wife. The guys when they get this motor, oh yeah, they go answer query. But who buy mobile different. They're going to accuse different people. Okay, now talk of now person, wife. If this man go thief just now, police come, they not see the man, they'll grab the wife. If they hold the wife, the husband will come out. You understand? Shoot the wife, they'll finish your husband. Now I ask the man, say, if anything bad happen to your sister, now who you go ask? Not be the man where you give Pikito. Automatically, what happens to this eye happens to this eye. What happened to Osaro happens to the wife. You understand? Now, my people, agree to know better style. If they say, who go thief, Sandra Agbogun, who go commit adultery, F.A. Agbogun, Jennifer, F.A. Agbogun. Not be Agbogun we go thief because he carry that DNA of Agbogun. Automatically, the Agbogun need the follower. Now, my people, Osaro go sleep with Percy wife, collect GLK for the woman hand. GLK car, brand new car. Where the husband of that same woman, Jennifer Agbogun, buy for Jennifer. He sleep with Jennifer Agbogun finish. He still collect GLK for her hand. They drive, they cruise, they go. They carry a wife, they put for the front of the GLK. In wife, they sit down for driver seat, passenger seats. They drive, they go. Now the wife and the husband, they commit that adulterous. The wife and the husband, they do control for Germany. But now share this video. We are moving. We are going somewhere. Now be this Jennifer where they might scream so. This one where they might scream so different. I go tell you what this one do. I go hear this one voice now. The audio of this Jennifer, I go hear a voice. You understand? I go play up. Okay. Osaro, they go, they put up a woman where their husband has spekus, water. He comes in from there, collect GLK for your hand, they cruise on, they go for town, nothing happen. And the Murphy, they are aware of it. All these women, Jennifer, they are aware of it. Osaro, the first thing you ask Jennifer. Jennifer, that nasty ex-girlfriend of Osaro. Oh yeah. We will play video. My people, I want to play audio. I want to play video of Monica. When it's in record, Eddie Murphy. Where Eddie Murphy play some audio of Osaro and the husband. Make could listen, make could hear.
Osaro. A kid down, although kid down. A kid no man need be.
Uba wo where uba metone.
Arela. I know. Jennifer Nice.
Jennifer Nice is online with it's okay. When I listen.
Jennifer Nice. Okay, but why have everybody the West Valley now. Why you never go Manata? A boy I go why after the West Valley. But I will have why you why after the time when no. Well, why did you come back to because of
no, 14 years. I am a son of Nigeria.
I did it for the talk show. This is my.
Can you imagine a protocol?
Now, what are they listening to?
Makeke no bohan comploga wo mwemi ameki ewa we no roni sanosaro la lohia we no roni sanosaro la lohia
well no worry me ayona agbeti yin but I will not la dia we na mo la dia opun se
Daniela. Or where Eddie Murphy now when he picture Freddy Ladian. Eddie Murphy say you want carry Fred picture come out where they sleep with people wife for Germany. This Jennifer, this Okbo Miliki where Fred they don't lash before. I go talk his story just now, Jennifer. Thank God so that you don't use your leg carry yourself come out. Your story I go diagnose and come out just now. This Jennifer called in for the platform when Eddie Murphy did live. They beg Eddie Murphy with his squad, saying they not making not bring their boyfriend come out, which is Fred Osaro. May not bring Osaro picture come out. May no Saga Osaro say Osaro the nice person. If they respect you, Osaro they respect you, Osaro they loyal to you. If I beg no carry come out, we know see that one at your girl. Don't definitely Eddie Murphy don't collect money for Osaro hand before. You understand? Because I can't expose these secrets. Now the thing, now I can't make the movie call the talk, so call they play all the secret. All this audio where the movie they play now was not recorded today, was not recorded this month, was recorded more than 3 months ago. And the movie refused to bring this issue out on media for the whole world to hear, for the general public to hear. Now I'm gonna listen to mommy will play. I'm gonna listen. Oh, me would like Matani very calm down. When the Murphy consult Osaro say I see what I hear, so they sleep with person where you collect the cap for your hand. Osaro come to say the pana truth to Osaro confess. You understand? If Papa no carry a commerce, you understand? Hey, why are you going? You feel me? So I don't want to move to the eat. And then we don't know why we don't know. So you don't normally Osaro go give a part the normal level. You understand? So now make this matter not come out for me just is there. In the cover for Osaro because you know Osaro don't bless her and Osaro bestie now you. That boy will go the Murphy house, go talk, say he need DNA test for his 6 baby mama. When pregnant for abroad, when man the UK, the do a shower for UK. When man they call it sweet mother, man a jailo, those are far. All those jailo, you defend afar for Lagos. All those jailo, holy. I don't know where we are, jalabia. The jalabia where they go weird, they go shook man for inside. Mama de Verona do a shower for Italy, do. Use a shower money to bring it should come abroad. Don't leave your husband for Nigeria. Congo they do a shower for Italy. That is Sweet Mother TV. You understand? We be Obioku, God's power, Obioku. You understand? What's your man? That be name. If I did Verona before, my man Okbo Miliki for Italy for many years. My man are dangerous Okbo Miliki. Now all this one be really Okbo Miliki where you to the hustle money. You feel me? So now, my people, Mokuna share this video. You are not sharing this video. When I share the video. Oyokwo with God's power, Debbie Squad. Onto a year's level, they be a year. You understand? Now all those Kofra level, they oppress all those women for Germany. They form the Cavalier level. They oppress women for Germany. They sleep with women, single mothers for Deutschland. Auto a demon in their backbone. These are Central boys who can't hold the demon for back. You feel so? They can't get the demon now as their backbone. Because now the demon they fight against Central must stop. So based on statement, they don't say the demon they fight against Central must stop. They can't get the demon for back as a strong bone, as their man. So any begin where they stop, if all those women go complain, go give the Murphy not go press, not go press the matter commands. You go let press the men charges. They go bless a pa. No ho Agbon. You understand? Agbons and Monday. Okay, only Matiania will larger man. Very soon. You understand? They will go give a pass motive for back. So the women now will bring back go give the Murphy, they now get justice. You dey feel the matter so. And now get justice on the Murphy area by the Murphy area by Jamie. On a police no we emoji. On a viola sana fian for wayara here. Wara what do remedy me? That is the Murphy for you. You're waiting and winning wipe away adulterous and Central boys. The boys that surround you who call you daddy, daddy, my godfather, my godfather, my godfather, my father, Iramoki. They are the Central boys in town. They are the Central boys in town. You know the funniest part of it all? These guys they work. The funniest part of it all, these guys they work. This is the latest Central in town. Then they work. Where where? Because most of the real Central boys who know those years, they know they work. Now they upgrade. Then they use their document, they work now. You understand? They're going to see the work, but they be dangerous and true. If they come with you once, then they loot you. They are looters. You understand? And all of the way they that squad, they be ayes. You understand? They be blackers. Now they run now. And they are work down for Germany. If you do any, you collect for their hand. They go threaten you. They'll go threaten your parents for Nigeria. They will tell you, say, as if you misbehave for a giant, they will drop your parents for Nigeria. This is their work. This is their strategy. They will just let you know, say, if you fuck up, if you talk, if you make firm, they'll go drop your parents for Nigeria. Not go cost them anything. That control they go make. They'll find your ass. As they follow you, they go ask you what you get, your ass address for bongo things. They go ask you everything. All those women, I know certain women will not know anything. They go, they vomit everything. I get asked for it, I get for my back. By the time they don't loot you, all the money, all your charge benefits, you don't spend that for them. When you come, they finance man, this boss, they have to be now. You understand? Yeah, you know how where if you misbehave, you make fame, they'll go drop your papa for her, they'll go drop your mama for her. I am too winning. This is their work, this is their strategy. Where they all loot all these innocent single mothers in Deutschland. Would there Jennifer woman now? Jennifer, what are you going to know? No, Jennifer nice now. Egbog bear in Germany. Egbog bear. Jennifer nice, you come and go look beer. Jennifer nice, off frustrated, be frustrated. Ik be agbeyan yo. Jennifer, when Jennifer nice, you go say webu. Ik be finish eh. Now me finish am. You no go fit talk. That is all you know the way Alpha Gamma was the level. I see that babe, I love a shop now. You know, you want to the guy when you enter, the guy they spend to see wiki point, they'll give you code. In here, when you're Jennifer nice. So the wild guys, no moto, you don't get shaking. But we care your honey, free of charge. You go no buy. Oh, you go no buy. So maybe you be guy man, you especially when you be strong man, you don't knock on, you know the harder. You don't understand the level. You should be strong man. You understand? Our days in what my buto. When you want me now, what my buto beyond. Very easy. In a log on a who. But to hear me no. Understand? I go play audio. What all? That's good there. Hello? I greet you. I greet you. No, you're not the speaker. Now, I'm going to lie to you. No, I don't feel, you ask you, why the reason like that? I don't feel that to you now. God's power. You don't know God's power as I is. Wait, you say you don't know God's power as I is. Hello? Network. Hello? I hear you now, I hear you now. Yes. Yeah. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. Exactly. me, you're still tired. You're tired, my brother. So you even watch her. Yes. Yes. You'll be like me now. You'll be like me now. Maybe say me. You'll be like me now. Yes. Exactly. No wala. No wala. No wala. Nama you be. Nama you be. Exactly. You get husband for us. Now what did they pay me be that one? Yeah. You know what woman? No be lie. No be lie. No wala, bro. Water. Water. One love. Nama you be. I greet you. See now. Hello.
Can you imagine?
Yeah.
All right.
My people, now they hear what Osaro connection they talk so.
Okay.
Basically,
Jennifer.
do somebody wife. Or partner when I went to talk. And you wajia. We no salo baya je marriage or talk bugwa. Eja. Somebody when go do somebody wife.
Hey, Jennifer. When the most go to video. Even when the most picture like Jennifer, you are a stupid woman. Jennifer, my people, I say, you see this picture where I bring come this Jennifer picture where I bring come out. Now because of waiting in talk here, now me bring this picture come out. Because of waiting this woman talk here now. Now me bring this picture come out. Now me talk say, I did not go tea for party. In which way I go for party. And I only bring a movie picture and a white picture come out. The rest of that squad where loot things, I never showed their picture. You understand? Number one, the second person now where they show picture is Jennifer. Jennifer, see, Vera, Lady Vera. If they watch this video now, you hear. Because why I bring Jennifer picture come out now, and she you go use her hand, bring herself come out for the movie platform. Go beg the movie, make the movie not bring Osaro come out for this adulterous issue. Person will sleep with person wife. I was Osaro here. And Jennifer forget what you do for Lady Young Vera party that day. When the movie Agbina be que Vera, and Jennifer Agbina because of that Johnny and the sea. And Jennifer, and I'm with that Johnny and Jennifer. Jennifer, we went that Johnny and the sea and one. Jennifer almost fought one woman who was sharing drinks for that party. Jennifer na agboligi. Other men not to attack Jennifer. Yeah, we are coming Jennifer dance. Yeah, mama, me you take her. Okay, maybe you bring the Janet. We will drink the Janet. Jennifer, what? Jennifer, no bash will be. Jennifer not paying one around. But Jennifer was requesting for anything. Or when you see you want. Now anything they drink. Jennifer not sit down for one place. Now man the for that party. Jennifer, even what do you guys have to go and return it. Because I will be coming out for you guys very soon. No early and married returning your way. Should go and return it in Wadu Equivera. Equally Dion. When I know I'm gonna go. Now you don't use your hand, bring yourself come out now. For this matter, this is a matter. But later, I will still come back for a Murphy. I will still give you guys updates about the stolen things that the Murphy do. A week or no, Wayara. It's just 1 week now. Wayara. Oh my God. Jennifer, get down here, Monica.
Now that the door say not bring that down. Okay. Where you don't let go?
Okay.
If Osaro really there upstairs,
okay.
Fear go let her go give married woman belly.
Okay.
Wait.
Okay.
He just do married woman saute, just give her belly.
Okay. Wow. Okay.
You know, say you man where or mono respect me no.
Oh.
If time I will not block it Jennifer. The Jennifer on dano. Or do CT.
Can you imagine?
Osaro where you know what Master Osaro at way. Because if we know again Osaro now, you know ya babisen.
Okay.
You know ya babisen. So Egbe Eyozuwa problem ni ije Yemanati ya boy or tia ye big Jennifer. Ina accepted money Jennifer Biania. My baby Jennifer where in no time in Brodana away Jennifer that Brodana where I not where 1 year boy 1 year no better boy that okay no mind yeah only no big yellow webo. My baby Jennifer Brodana. Ote ni emi owa emi ya egbo wa ya je ni mo bi ni every boy na o pe na
share this video. Maybe this one today will be the last day we will talk for this adulterous issue. I'm gonna share this video. Get where? You get what I'm gonna share the video.
Remove a bad picture from the wall. The area watching about my picture now. Area watching about my picture. They are remove it. I can't watch your bum picture now.
I'm gonna share this video.
I don't get it tag when you if I are you when you like to work with. Then I you not when you go.
Now they okay, nice.
Mom, if I knew when the mom, Cosuma, if they come with Maga, Dana, I knew we did there. I'm a rigid down. I'm a rigid on ma. I'm a rigid cigar. When I wear your Naduji, it will not the material, you know, material born where, who know how where, then where you be saying, who China, mighty, who we do now. When I say, I know. Look back, Elio Mare. I will you, I say no, Elio, I know. It is not by you want. Oh, no, now very much I would day. If you go, my batabo, when that point of you wear to wear, not the Asabo, any problem telling you. I don't know accept every mother Asabo.
You see, when I see, this man be just the talk as Benin man supposed to take 5 talk put for adultery of another man. We go fuck another man.
Okay.
Right? It's very bad.
Okay.
It's very bad. Yeah? Then somebody else come say the man where they fuck another people wife girl Osaro no la lonisa.
Okay.
No get bo yo kanso anwe.
Okay.
Uye winu e no yeje. Ana yo wo kan na ya zese. Where make them marry him, they come native doctor. I don't change, I don't offer, just like
my people, I agree to now, but after I'm gonna share this video, I want to talk. I'm not here to play. You're the one just want to play. The reason why this woman picture come here. Let me play that audio for now. Hold on. No call it for now. Nobody should call me for now. I'm not gonna contribute my opinion. And I get the reason why I go talk. And I'll give you rooms to call. You understand? The reason why this Jennifer Nice, Jennifer Bad, we picture day here. Now make me play that audio. Where she take call the Murphy. They plead on his behalf, on behalf of this man who commit adultery. You understand? This are their work. This are their public. This one not lash them. You understand? They defend this man. Say this man a nice. Person will go sleep with person wife. You say a nice man. You open mouth woman open mouth. Now see how our women don't use less rich. Some for inside you see how our women don't they use less rich for Germany. You open your mouth, they beg for person will go give woman marriage woman pele. Another guy, you go give marriage woman pele. You they open and the best the man a nice man. Oh God, this is really nice, eh? So man we open eye get knock marriage woman pele. You think that once you don't fuck Jennifer. Give man to the man said the Osaro they call and they call. Say for the past 6 months, now you know because I don't want to play this audio too much. You understand? As they play the audio, I don't say the verse of my fans. You understand? Because the man confessed to her. The movie say 6 months ago, now you don't know. Say his wife they sleep, Osaro they sleep with his wife. You understand? Okay, now my people, but I know the funny part of this whole story. You see, a Zogie family. They are so useless. I swear. I have never seen a useless family like a Zogie family. I have never seen a useless and a worthless family like a Zogie family. I've been a Zua. You understand? Whether a Zua or a Zogie family, they are so useless. That is the man we married Jennifer. The family are such a useless family. They are so stupid. They are Egbo sono. Hello? 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 I'll block you. With me, I block that Cameroon number. Okay. I tell you no one talk it. Cause the number where they come. Now Cameroon number. You see? No, God will not sleep with anybody for the matter. Don't sleep with Dr. Suma. Now friend to this guy, this man was doing sleep with married woman. Now Germany, yeah. Okay. No, while I will go. Okay. My people agree to now. The reason why I say this family of the family will be say they sleep with their wife, their own wife. Just the way I condemn, I don't marry. They will come sleep with my, God forbid, the enemy of my wife. Eh? Maybe, for example, they can't tell me to Osaro. They can't tell me to Osaro. I'm not going to speak for myself. Eh? I'm not going to fight for myself. I'm not fight for my wife as a husband. Then my own family go just look me say, yeah, what be more. Oh, we have be more. Oh, ni am go you go me ya marry. Oh, be more. Oh, we are genyame. Oh, we are genyame. They not go fit talk. No, nobody should call me. They not go fit talk. Now, when I see where the family they useless, so I go to explain for them. So that if they go watch this video, they go know where they for useless. Osalo bwa negi ma negi hogbo mo yimao. Osalo bwa negi hogbo mo yimao. Egbe izogi, nobody should call me. Why active? Nobody should call me. Now why active? When I relax. If I don't see me, I'm not calling call. This man, when they sleep with his wife, so the family is a useless family. Tinya ho egbe izogi. We ya ho every do. Hunda we. Ogo ma ro teri kanaba. Wanna call him call, if we make call. You see at the end, you know, say no one pick. Now, oh, when we am go your on one again, it now comes on social media. Or he like the social media, or the social media. On a platform in menu menwe. This issue has been on ground for months, for years now. And the Murphy has been inside this game, playing this game, hickey, for nobody to know. For nobody to know. Unfortunately, I intervened on the issue secretly, and I exposed the whole issue on social media for the general public to know what is going on. You understand? And the Murphy now find out, okay, a boy and I exposed him, which is supposed to be, he was looting money for the money. Eddie Murphy was using this issue to blackmail the man, which is Friday. The man that married this adulterous woman. Eddie Murphy was blackmailing this man. He was attracting money from this man. All in the name of not exposing this adulterous issue on social media. But unfortunately, the issue got to my table and I exposed it on media. Immediately, Eddie Murphy found out that I exposed this issue on media. Eddie Murphy jumped out. And he started the saga Friday. Because you know, say, Yawa do gas. He don't cast. Hello? Hello? What's new? Okay, me picture of you post here. Okay.
Yani we enyesi ni e kan atian we ji iko na ria we ni wa atu get ni Osaro best ni iyon defensity of me city we onji my boy my own gbe atu understanding me if the Murphy were if I'm not lawyer na him is a lawyer guy.
Yes.
So post a picture nenye doria on the inventing of a city man, because a city man not do our event.
Yes.
I should get it.
Yes.
So my brother, I need that Tanya and we do more picture me la jamba. Okay, I don't understand. I'm a very popular person.
Yes.
So it must be na ye Jordanes party. Iya mo anyo gume, iya mo Jordanes gume. Na you want Jordanes anything you want. I should get it, my brother. Any na we anything hero. And I can move where be. Muakia, I took get in and if we know your my brother, if we walk on me, we are another one doing 9 what they with a very gallant man. We are 9 about doing you when we push on the lad and I might see when they were what we push again in Ladia.
Now listen to me. Listen to me. Where Osaro or Masi no Odemi before you call Eddie Murphy and ask Eddie Murphy to not to bring Osaro picture out, didn't you know the atrocity Osaro did? No beware. I will you where you go.
Oh, my brother, I use the language.
Me, they ask you question now. No, when I support the way Osaro, I walk where.
Mudiania, what give me autonomy. Autonomy.
So you are a supporter of Osaro to be sleeping with people's wife?
Nay, I'm not in support. So, ye mejena, ofo mehin.
Yes.
Where ti gumegwa. More the position to tell you when my brother I'm engaged. The
Yes.
next you will excuse me.
Yes.
I should get here.
Yes.
The train station in my daddy, over here Guinea, now over here Nigeria. Obumi, the way my sister, I'm attracted to your perfume. Can I know you more better? And then my brother, I'm engaged. Oh no, sorry man. Oh no, man. Okay, he must say, what you mean, like him, eh? Monyata ma we ya kwenwe, ilaki we ya lelwe. I to get him, eh? So, Monyata ma we ikwenwe. Ego we na arrange Jamie, una gwale, or no ugane problem. At the Murphy and Nitana, you won't a phone, I speaker. At the Murphy, she met a man where in Menwa, Yaito this remember, Umenwa. Ya Chorobi. Yaito this remember, Umenwa. And now, paper, even to social media, anything social media, in Yanirene, Ibahiane, I to get in, Imosene. On our okay, my daughter off with me and our domosa. On our devani. It's just simple. It's just simple, my brother. Well, just so cool. Oh, what more we and what do? Excuse me, my day. Osaro, or what do? But Osaro, what do? In the time Osaro, in the woman, you Osaro, why forgive Ariana, Mariani?
We're moving on, Damian. Where my home at Mofvic Messer, your way, or Daffy the ma, what's Saravia, or Daffy the woman, what's Saragua. To Sarah, the man of no Sarah, who were walking here.
We read social media.
Okay, you read social media. We are Sarah, when I call it the muffin, with picture if you're not into social media.
Oh, you might call it the Murphy, bro. You might call it the Murphy, it's okay.
Yes.
It's okay, you might tell the Murphy.
You call it's okay. It's okay, before get that
Eh?
Wait, it's okay.
Follow it. Follow it. You have them more Jennifer Nance, the Tracy way.
Wait, it's okay. It's okay now. It's okay now before get that from where.
No, my brother. You want to know what? It's okay. Well, I'm Osaro, the guy, no lawyer, guy, nothing. Understand me? Me now we paralyzed. It's okay. I don't know we paralyzed. Yeah, you could call you a live video, my brother. You read social media. Oh, yeah, why are you me? I thought I started me. Who was here? And no one to show you that, yeah.
We are palliative equivera.
What is it palliative?
Ja.
My brother, you know a party. You know a party, one of a party. Manire, Mase 12 or 13.
Jennifer Damiove. Let me tell you one thing. Mo menwe. When you like, you like a matter. Inami on what matter. Omari anything you bring picture when Nari. You were my sorry. Understand? Oh, not the ready. I was a gamen. You know, have proof. Evidita, you know, have proof. Yeah, go Maku, a ball one boa. All this one, you have to me party was Joni. It might have picture what Baladia. You understand? You party, my Baladia. Before I call I not go to the party. Damayona, imagine Kuni, Motala, Kuni, where who are drag ya, who are young way. A woman in Dajana will not wait Dajana with anything war. Now, money seen where wait to be any scene. And you see, we're not going to shoot back. You know the capacity where you be. You understand? And you know, man, no one has Viku. Don't want no. And I shot him on Savanoyi. On no Savano, we are shot him. Umama, no, him.
Bro, Mudiania, bro.
I hear you.
You want Yona, when it been a here. Or we back there, or we Zawa. Imagine you need to know when my sister walking anything. It's the done for Tore, where the done is very red, you more or Tore, where anyway, walking even after I've seen it there, and you want to store around. Near then you seen a man me and Barry. I took Dariana, it drives in a driving license. You want your be cool, very cool. So can you imagine an object? You drive the other party there are 36 minutes. And you drive the account from my site to there. So coming back again is another 36 minutes. So the other one, my brother must say 13 or 12. If we are with Guinness, if the power I know the government Guinness is very Mewani. So yeah, why I'm here, officer saying another total bear. It's a boom, man. So again, a lady 9 days. Don't damn it, man, no damn it, or it damn it, you know. Madam Manya, it's a boom, Emani, Maria, Igbari. Only I'm with Jadane City. And I want with Jadane City, and we ain't with Jadane, so anything, and young. And then Madam, when you see. Yeah, it's a boom now. My brother, I don't with party over me. A party over new over me. I buy 15 anything. 5 Jadanes. I took a party over 10 years. I don't celebrate over me. And when I need a party, they will testify. They are hearing my voice here. If she's pressing, I'm going to see how they over. Or the many way party over. I make everybody in the I know they care. Yeah, you go and I have 2 cartons of 2 bottles of
okay, we really kuni. Uno ni siwe devil le gbe we boot mo ahia.
Zara, I spray Zara inside of 200 I spray on the video. You know them with picture with say inside of 200 I spray her €100, which is $100. Okay, Mewani. Or investment now. Mama was saying, anybody, my young man has spray. I spray €100. If you're done anything in my brother,
€100 we spray. We wear yao. We wear ya. We wear spray $40. It's native. You know, we go here, I do more. He had not spray anyway. Which I would more than €150. And we are not a native, he like a native. One in the party, a native is your. I told you, and even not supposed to near do more. He had no spray, one of us is sister, West sister, and our ma. He has your party, my brother. He was so, remember gift the party.
I was gifting if you have. You know what gift? Our trade, in many other glass cups, and yet there are and yet there are the stickers like another one. This year,
Damia, Moguegwana, Evera Guegua. You understand? Listen to me. You understand? This is where you people always get it wrong. Also, when I'm again, you understand?
Okay.
Because why? If you not say the matter with Naladia, or if you don't tell you already Murphy. It's I was Jennifer Damia, I was spending a Kuni. If you are also could not play Kunia vigilance and Gume. I watched the video. You understand? I watched the video. I saw you on that video.
Evidence. You can't you know what? Evidence. And nothing soon we could need. If we without a power for your mentor, I didn't a very area. You never met the judge here. I don't way up. A pass here with a city and I the power with me area. If I didn't get city, I met you and I want to know. Now I read we went any cool. I'm not going to talk when I explain my now go only say I did a social media now. And I have to can you call me? Why can you play? Why you want this social media saga? Why we're in Naya? On our we were say on our maybe a name of any time we follow or damn you or any time. You know, make a PC or we will quit the other day. We may judge here another time in my way, power with 1 year. You're would and the party of with many years. I don't get it, brother.
Jennifer, you're one nigga. Come on, boy, no gas soon you buy. You understand? Because I have all the videos. You understand?
Okay, thank you very much.
Since then, in the afternoon, he may have picture anybody like that apart from it's okay. What that for? You understand? He may have picture anybody. Because here where I'm not royal. When I go back to Hogbo, You understand?
My
They take the move from Agboligi. Agboligi party. Nobody for the enter go the pack things they come out. You understand?
Yes.
You know, they could have shared things. So, Vera, oh come on, man, where Jennifer the party, Jennifer Marie party. Vera did not talk to me. Does not say anything. You understand?
Okay.
What I saw on the video that is with me. Hey, I let the movie go.
He has a party, he broke away because he might do more. He might do what should be. I might wait till I do a gifty. I took that in there. And then the dog by and then I am a dark cooker and a dog man or recipe. And now why are they shaking? Otherwise, I start with that idea. And now in my them, I know what you get time. You can you talk at the end of the time. If I don't know it, so you must like that. The man can a gifty, you said. And then you have when you magbabe table where you know again or it's a bolokono. And really, you get me a training. Bolokonora, I must say nine. I went to take bolokono and you were wrong. And I was here when you say one in oil, you know, it's boloko. I took a doctor. It's my personal person, bro. I'm a very popular person. Well, you know. I took to Daniel.
Yes. Let me advise you. When we Genia, it when I honor Aragbo the so no get. It when I honey where or my name you where you are, or when I understand.
No, brother, my brother, only thing you know.
Damion,
make a point to me. My jewel, I have seen in my knee.
Okay.
Only bring him. You are afraid of boy, but you can't for a voice not in our young boy, one on one speaker, me who wear.
Yeah.
That open of the let people come and say, I ain't Jennifer, don't fuck her, Jennifer, don't fuck her. A Roman in where they call the balling. And they call it boiling. If you have a little cool life for cool, they say, because a sport woman making it train a stadium. ATSDJ, we like a sport. 1 year we eat grass. At 2 years.
Yeah.
So, ATSDJ, we like a sport. So, you know what sport in it? Who was this year? I know one or not that way, yeah, the Liaku, other way in the Liaku where he wear Jennifer. I look here, my brother, my mother, your man go Jomu, or Yaka Lily, unless we may raw my face by then it will love it.
Okay.
I acting in my knee, or it with him. Like him, I realize it. I walk only to I feel where you are.
When I fuck up me, I'm going in case of next time. I don't wear rock by one fool.
Yes, my brother.
Even I will need ya no ya oku no rogo do agwo no do e do maji oku ya na azo no ko ni do da point na we na yezo do ko yin understand me na
other part we no zone other part we no zo o ye zone
that's what I'm saying now una do when I do call in as a defender defending the man na me picture like gana go egba
he must defend anybody I not defend anybody Osaro if you do any event for this essence Osaro they listen to me my brother sit the table Osaro na mo table me go there it pay table me have to oye money atumi my brother if the table I start here is praying he had the table and you see no mo on the table e manile ga me onwe me won atumi no respect on my work. You were watching now. Me see my brother. You want to respect you. Maybe who is there? I took getting it. I want to respect on my thing. You know your man. I believe before who the whole way or that way it concern Jennifer. No. before I was very rugged and brutal. But any agent now, if you learn it, or we not be on, or by the 10 years, are you ready, my brother? In my, I think you were one agent now. This one where the Nuna red Jenny. This where you near where Gina, I think you are. And you know when we were Tana, mother of the day, other a birthday or chair or Osaro. Then the other guy, well, okay. Why I work on our water? What would the way mother of the day may show a birthday now that area? What would the way we have way mother of the day? Now, brother, we are over confused. Who may believe that by area where a bay area go home? Who may believe that by area go home? My water, my bestie, because a papa Makere. I told me, my brother, my bestie, just like my doings the city. Mama, I will show the thing with illegal table. A table 1800, you are men, 1800, the other 100, the other 150. Every hour you learn my brother.
All right. All right, no problem.
In my way, a live video. You can't a woman not be or when I make the hobo. It's on social media. I might with the paper. Anyone. And then Panaka, we are introducing Emma. When you are a child, okay, no problem, introduce Emma. Your good pass, no go play. No go play the airway. Every other time I go, I will not say a woman, you don't have anyone.
So, part of when he met.
Yes.
Back. And the muffin you disha?
When you're dear, I don't know when my mother now. And my mother read Jenny.
Now, at the muffin come away, get baron, ya woman, my book barrow. Ebon barrow. Or when was a boy, anyone one black girl, one woman away. Or what the girl,
one man, my black in the
I want to get real lado. I want to get real land.
Okay, maybe
I want a woman. In a papa book barrow, Mr. Be me, I blacky.
Yes.
And the muffin, I will. Even sit at the muffin of the Mama got by Italy. Mama get by Italy, the get Arowa. The get a catastrophe, the muffin where I'm married, and was it where you were. Nakana me hotel, me mami wa mu Italian hotel lodge hotel for 3 months. The muffin na tell ni wa le the girl. The girl wa hon where in one way that ke jemi at Italy. He lodge hotel. The girl when no yen gwa lo. Yen gwa le na big.
Jemi no boy amayamu where you wa.
Aga ni me ya mu 2 room.
Our mom go where you wa so far.
Wa ga na gbe ya we no so boy punish over here o. Again na ka deny me. Aga ni me ya mu 2 room na. Through my apartment in Italy, with Roma. Again, I lost a war. Again, I lost a water on us to buy the muffin. I buy the muffin away. Thank God you get Frankie. Why am I 2 room? If I can marry, we make a fucking buy. A panaka was number a woman now. I confess the number where Frankie, where the girl, where I have the papa talking one packet, where you are. In a pan, no. Imani there, but yeah, you go there, no, you are more. You understand? The only thing I can do for her, yeah, you go there. No, yeah, one room. In support, no, yeah, one room. Entry and deposit. That's the only thing I can do for. When me, no pack it's not done, and it might even need the relationship. You understand? That's the only connection.
Maybe not to me. I introduce him. Maybe your matama well, and maybe you brief him. Maybe you can brief him. And he where the agony, he must say. I took bets in
yes.
So anyway, bank, and now social media people here, and then yeah, boom, and when you have been, and now by here, he has been, and we're very popular person, and he, and I don't tell we are, yeah, we your hammer, and I will, my daughter, no problem. I took it, and I
yeah, it's a good way. And I said, go away, move away, what's your man?
Yeah, me no yet nothing. I don't know. And now he lets you finishing, Now my brother, come with picture me. Mama, and I no glove. You no picture get ma. Mama, Pama Eva, bro. Mama, Pama Eva. We be very nice person. Then not when I would they call you, would they talk. I'm not going to these social media things. I be person when no waiting day. I know waiting day.
No wala.
I don't understand the
no wala. Wala ro.
Sabana de bawe. Sabana de bawe. My very brother, power, mama, 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 no any be my. We have a sick power. We have a he. It is not bonazia. And then our children was his then. Me have Italian. I have a summer now. I should call you one day. I not based on social media. I have the phone. My mama, what's it, Baba? Now, Italy, it's a day. It's where, bro.
Igual a rock.
Yeah, the phone will born and no what you have always video. The phone dying.
Igual a rock.
We'll drink together. Now, here's if we're not done on what the Murphy, we don't want to stop. What if you say? Here where, you know, you go to I to get him, Salubano blessing Maya.
What? I greet you. Yes, my people, I greet you all. But after that's Jennifer. Now I remove the picture so. You know, now she calls so. And many of you now don't the calls. Many people they call. Yeah, call now. Jennifer don't true for lie. For those of you now they call, sis, Jennifer call for direct. So that's why I don't feel people now call. You understand? So you are free to call. As I was saying. Hello. What up, my bros? What up? Wow, here to look at the social media president. What's in the
Social media president.
Oh, UTA.
Yo, social media president.
Oh, UTA.
Ela wo me, ela we wa mi o. Abi ko na. E na ruso no sie. Ne edimofna gitamata. O ma be no wa yarere ya wo we na. E me do wa change. Eri ya wa edmefu wo wa. Mo wa ha ma we. Egbe mi na ya nyida edmefu wo wa. Na me we edmefu gitamata.
When we no get na gaji bros. When we no get na gaji. Edimofi real life video. Ye na ti o wo ke Edimofi. Ona kama woke Edimofi no la no hini Edimofi have the picture amen na la jange Osaro. Edimofi. Na me forget Edimofi na me phone the speaker. I me catch a voice here.
Any explain now 1 million. Ona ya do te calling ya. Obi amoge no ro do. Nyina ya do call when ya mu bishoge latia. Which is opiana Onorugo be na ya do call. This movement we bishoge latia edited movement mo ye la video call. Ana do e winye you do call.
That's true. Only back of the scene.
Yeah. And I go out by ya college mofu wana. Na mi wa ji mi ata onu Edimofi. Mo ka ma we. Ara me wa lo na Edimofi wo wa. E go we lo ngwe na.
Awara me wa lo na.
Cho bege, go ba be na e duro we abu we wona me duro wa yo to. Maybe one. Okay, who will the support na? You know we are blame Okoni. Okoni e blame. When no be me na blame Obia. You know. Mo ya nanye. E be ta bia wo ko. Omo ro gi so bia no. Obia me 70%. Why go na 30%? You make them blame the man. Ono blame the woman. Only no bata yin man support Osaro. Only no yata. I blame me when you know who needs that man. One of you no. You can tell away. Oh, we have 70%. Oh, now I'm 30. More my way. You want to say, I think that so I mentioned trouble. Person like Osaro, all pocket here. Anyway, yeah, boy, we must ya ni awo ko ro do. Ni am yo ko ego ni awo na. Oh, we ere ro ko soft pe. Mani bia ere mo pe so wo. Osaro we o kweti go wrong, no bia be go wrong.
Thank you. What's it?
So, I don't know say, I don't know long way.
What's it?
Only one you any area mo fi wa wo wa di tutu wa ba. I like it well.
Yeah. Hello?
Hello.
Yeah, this speaker.
Hello.
Go ahead.
The social media president.
Oh, UTA.
The social media president.
Oh, UTA.
Social media president.
Oh, Jamie Latie.
I greet the house. So
What all?
now good morning and a happy Sunday. If I want to talk concerning the lady when he call now,
Yeah.
you not get anything against her, but the way she take call for the Murphy platform, now where she for F be that.
Yeah.
One, you be lady, and I like the question when you ask her if her father and mother go pull leg for outside, waiting. Whether is she go dey happy, when they come they talk, waiting, make go so you can remove the person where sleep with mother sleep with, remove the picture. She not free answer her. Oh, okay, when we take her to the opposite, okay, if na him brother, she go dey happy like that. Even though say she still dey beg me they remove her picture, she still dey like the guy is still good. My sister, rest. Just get luck say today, now Sunday. You get luck say if I remove your picture because you for collect woto because you need to collect them. Because for you to support bad thing, that means to say you say if your matter not clear, it not clear where, your road not clear. Those are the way you tell say you be good person. A good person fight for a good fight. Don't be backhand fight, don't be backside fight.
That's right.
You go fight clear one.
All right.
When you see your fellow woman don't go fuck up. It don't put all of us for shame. You cause they support them. They call they support that person because of say you say nobody will not gallant for her so. All of us from Benin, they call of us gallant. If you see me, you go use my quotation and man, I gallant finish as it take day. Everybody get the way it take day on your own basic.
Exactly.
When it comes to rugged, everybody knows stay rugged, everybody knows which winning job. But when the truth is be to be said it at the right time.
Exactly.
Not they support bad thing. Everybody know ain't take day. So
God bless you.
you F. You know they follow social media, they go. How you tell they hear the whole news. If a bad give you small chance, truth be don't they come out for your mouth. You know they follow social media. But you know say your picture come out. You know they follow social media. You know say a buy the most video online. You don't bring they ask question to bring out a picture of the tumor out. You know they follow social media. You hear about the other one the other day. My sister Seba for calm down. So Kwanike, just get lost today and Sunday. Everybody don't go church. Come back. We just maintain our mat. It's supposed to collect small. At least 1 hour. We'll use you stretch for 1 hour.
I beg.
1 hour we go stretch.
I beg when I leave.
But today and Sunday, you get luck. If I call like on Monday, now make this matter come out like on Monday. If I use you start Monday business. If I greet you and I greet you, be very.
Oh God. Oh yeah, hello, we are hearing you.
Hello.
I greet you.
Hello, bros. I just want to contribute a little bit.
Go ahead, bros.
Rama, you too much. I must greet you the way you handle this issue. One thing when I want to talk is man, this man, so you don't get family. What did the family can they do to help this man? Or may they carry the woman go, or may they go do the necessary thing?
Let me what you're talking about now. Now the family, let me what you're talking to the man family.
Or the man or the woman, the man see they with the man for her, see they follow how they do all those things. It don't make sense now. The family need to stand up for it. They need to stand up now. At least if they not say after the man not move now, they're going to say, hey, I don't happy. It doesn't make sense. But they do something about time now. And for the waiting with me not really understand. Why people like say man, the guy, brother man, you know they eat the guy the way you're supposed to. Because you see the rest people of that time, get one guy that time when they doing to music, when like say man, even that woman never mad at that time, the way they beat that guy anyhow. I don't want you call your name, you're supposed to know Charlie.
Yeah.
The way they beat that guy anyhow, but you know your show efforts for this Osaro issue. I been get what you know they hide and I don't want me person to really know what they play. Because what you Osaro do so it don't make sense now. For real. Please, it don't make sense. Because they don't deal with Osaro. Osaro will see go do another woman like that. You know say woman do us my ass. You do and finish, you collect more, she go give one belly. Come on. Who does that, man? There's some women see the clap and say a nice guy. Nice guy to go to give married woman belly. I just say, what you Osaro do so may they do their own daughter. May they do their own daughter. Since there be women, they get their born get children. I just pray, may they see do their own daughter. May they know how they be. At least that man and a woman sleep born now. If that man are their brother or their relative, if this kind of thing happen, they go happy put. It don't make sense now. For real, more they talk true. Trying to say the man are nice man to go to fuck woman with the husband ass. Eh? Nice man to go to give woman with the husband ass belly. It makes sense. They kill the man, they go, don't frustrate the woman, the man life. All those things, I don't say they kill man. They break man down. If they make man no, they turn to man again. Eh? I don't know why some wicked women do not try for man. They don't want to let the man be man, leave the man alone. When I see they go outside, go they open on a stupid, dirty pussy for man for us that he said, man, make to that fire all of now. Mostly Jamie. Almost things like Jamie for all the show. Mostly Jamie. They don't fit keep their papers for one place. No, we're not trying for the man. We're not let the man be. We're not leave the man. Obviously, we're not see the carry go they fuck another man for outside. Like girls man for us. No, I don't even know whether they swear for those. Some of the women when they join, whether they swear for them, whether they use Kokoba swear for them. I don't know. They are so useless. Nothing good always come out for Germany, say women. Nothing other country. If they hardly for you hear this kind of nonsense, mostly Germany, nothing good they come out for that country. From mostly women when they stay that country. Some of the women they are so useless. The girls man has they fuck around, sleep around, do many things around. Oh my brother, I greet you.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, bros. God bless you. All right. I greet you all, but let me talk. And they talk before this call come in. No, hold on. I'd say, hold on, I'll call you back. You call me and quickly talk before nobody call. Nobody should call now, please. Now, my people, what's happen? You see the family of the man, a Zogi family, the man where they sleep with his wife, so. Remember the man will go sleep with his wife, the one who they sleep with his wife, where he marries her Agbogu sister. That family, they don't better family. That family don't be better family. They want to make this man buy. Now, first of all, at the Murphy where matter come in table, where he keep the matter calm inside, he want to do a hickey. He don't talk. I can't see the person body can't breathe the matter come out for the whole world to hear. And the movie comes out of the talk. Now, I was so much happy. One of the man, sister, not the man, the one is the man senior, the one who is senior the man, got in on the Murphy platform. Come they talk. Where prompt Sandra Agbogu to do the first video where Sandra do to insult the woman. You understand? Now, ever since, this woman never called for solution. None of the family members call for solution. Say, okay, oh, I beg Gomunas, I will help our brother. You understand? Nothing. Now they kept mute. The what? They kept mute. They sit down. They look like a local Z boost. They want to go call. They also go call for Monica platform. Monica will not go see what he go. Monica not go fit do anything for this issue. That to use and make money for your pockets. Because you understand? That's to tell you, say this family, they don't really want to see their brother alive. They don't want to see their brother alive. So what is our own business about it? My own issue, to God Almighty, I've done my part by exposing them. They are adulterous. Since the family are in charge, who was supposed to take a drastic decision and action on this issue, they kept mute. They didn't hear us in your way. Sandra Agbogu did a voice record where I play with his short in sister. You also do a video where you tell the world, say make this going sister, when they make sure they drag this matter, if possible, make the man go do DNA test for his own children. That's to say, Agbogu family, one of the Agbogu daughters, does still come out. Can't let the world know, say, They are not in support of their sister committing adulterous while in her husband's house. You understand? But the family in question who got married to Jennifer, they kept mute. You understand? So with the social media presenter, what take up our stress for inside? They are only here to bring issue, come and say, oh yeah, see what you're not picking, go do. This is the solution. As customer traditions demand, you do the needful. That's the reason why I always give kudos and respect to Enezena family. The family of Enezena, where Jennifer married from, and Sandra married from Sandra, aka Waginota Tayui. Where the UK were not the okay. When Sandra committed adultery, I raised the issue on social media. The family pick up from there immediately. They ask the woman to come back home and take an oath. That's how to know a family who want their son to be alive. A family who love their children, who protect the interest of their children. Whether married or not married. But this one, they do face like the car where they don't get to do marriage. They do face like the car where they don't get to do marriage. You know, you might take a show. You might take go. I'm going to be on over. I'm going to be on over. Why can the president do agbele gbiyan wa? The president do asagan like me. I will not stoop so low to see the truth and burn it all because of hatred. No, I will say the way it is. And you know, as of yedo, and I have proof of it. I bring it out on media, and that's what I've done. The family has will pick it from there. Up to now, go, not go, come, not come. Akobe yang obiara the gwali go ewebo awede ye jeli ke makobe o makoso no menwa so no business e mo ni nwa no dele no ria o ke methodology ye magidology didn't hear ya mo nya yibo didn't hear asi ni o yibo is better let them go near let go and rot in here as far as go be mage o ge fian obopa. Every time I give it a try. Every soon. That's what I said the truth. The whole world I already heard where or tears and drag bug not you or you have to where you are. They are waiting to see the action of that family. Because the family they kept mute. Here they're sluggish. I want to go to my bully. Or we go to them where. Yeah, but where oh I do not buy you. We have a lot of rich people who don't have wisdom. Hello? Oh, Joutier.
Social media president.
Oh, Joutier.
Social media president.
Oh, Jemilatier.
Social media president.
Oh, yeah, that Johnny, what you know?
My brother, fire down. Amen. Your fire down, fire down, yari yari.
What up? You see, which everybody are against Osaro for sleeping with persons, somebody else's wife. Let's go there. Hello? All right. Down your way. What up, man? Real. Daniel. Hello? Hello? Oh, network. Hello? Hi, yeah. Yeah, that's true. Yeah. 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 You're right. Yeah. Yeah. Exactly. Um, yes. Yeah. Yes. Water. Water. All right, man. While I chicken. No, man. Hey, man. We can't get down all about who. Oh, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You sell. Sell. Amen. All right, man. You sell. Ciao, ciao. All right. You see, this same issue with this, the family of Egbe Izogi, Abe Izuwa, because you use everywhere. You understand? You know, not in your buy. They want the man to buy. That's the reason why they're not taking any action. You understand? You see, for this man, Osaro. Let me bring a picture, come out. I don't know Osaro or nowhere. You don't know me, I don't know. We're starting an adulterous man. We are here to disgrace him. Hello?
Hello, fam.
I greet you.
Hello?
I hear you.
Hey, how far?
I do live with you.
Yeah, I know. I listen to you. I listen to you.
Okay. You want to contribute?
I want to contribute. That woman when she called, when she said that man, when she's not a good person, he want be this be that. You hear me?
Know your side, they talk, they hear you, I don't need the speaker.
I'm going to this.
They talk now, they hear you.
Yeah, okay, let me. That woman, they suspect that woman.
Okay,
that woman has seen that guy. That woman has seen that guy side chick. Now she's still being. So she they fear say tomorrow. I visit this woman turn. I go turn tomorrow if it be her turn for her to come out. You understand?
Yes.
That woman had no pure. And that guy where he sleep with that married woman. Now one of that the man and the married woman. Me that woman but say talk say me they don't tell the man come and say because say the man get good name. Which the man don't say get good name, go sleep with that man wife.
Very
Me
bad.
turn that fire two blockers.
Very bad.
He go say no that woman.
Very bad. This is very bad.
Very, very bad. Like they go see so all responsible women go see they say they support the man or support the woman.
You are right.
The man who say get good, the man go sleep with married woman. Not because me they ask that woman where she say the man get, say the man a good man, a good man get good name, you want to pay middle school name. Which name? He don't say get name, now go sleep with that man woman, that man wife.
You are very correct.
Just imagine the kind of person that man call to for social media. Say the man get good name, middle school name. So, but me that woman, me she carry that amount in house, eh? I suspect that woman already. That woman already suspect that woman. Say she going to do that man.
Thank you very much. God bless you.
All right.
I appreciate. Okay. First of all, let me first of all give this news. This news of some housing agents, all those real estate agents for Nigeria, both Benin and Lagos. Guys, a lot of them are scammers. Many of them are scammers. For those of you know, they buy property from them. Some of them are scammers. Some of them now waiting now scammers. Now, let me use for example. There's one particular story now that is going viral now on social media, which everybody, most of the people they talk about now. Now be it's no hotel. No, it's no hotel. It's no hotel. It's no hotel. It's no hotel. Guys, it's no hotel for Lagos, for Benin, for Abuja. No, it's no hotel. It's no hotel died. You know about 3 years ago now. It's no died about 3 years ago. It should be 3 to 4 years ago. It should be 3 years ago now, or 2 years ago. Where it's no died. Who is the owner of It's No Hotel? You understand? So this It's No Hotel has been managed by the family, by children. You understand? So they just finished renovating the It's No Hotel in Lagos, and they're still working on the one in Benin. You understand? As they are that, so they renovate the hotel well. So the hotel is still moving. People they lodge put things they happen for them. Now no It's No Hotel. Now when they are broke, they hold the travel, they go Nigeria. So there is one particular agent where we say he don't put the house for sale. If you go to the agent page for a wall for social media, if they post It's No Hotel, say It's No Hotel, they for sale for 1 billion. For 1 billion. So guys, be careful. For those of you they always see property for social media, most of the things where they social media are fake, not be real. Unless you see person stand for live video that they talk, they give you proof of waiting the talk. You see all those ones where they upload, they post, they go edit something, finish, they go edit. After editing, they'll come post. All those content creators, so many of them like that. You understand? They're plenty. All those things not scam. All those things not be real. You feel me? So It's No Hotel is not for sale. It's No Hotel is not for sale by the management of It's No Hotel. You feel me? So It's no hotel, it's not for sale. For those of them want to hear so. We're not going to pull money for property, will not be for sale. I say make I call you an answer to now. See, I have the pictures, I have the map picture. It's no hotel, it's not for sale. Make una dey hear. This one I watching the man post. It's no hotel, it's for sale for 1 billion. You understand? He said it's no hotel and suit for sale. Ikpokma Road. You understand? For GRO Ikpokma Road. The one with the GRO, the one with the Benin. It's not for sale. For those of you now. This one is the man, the agent. I want that this picture not show. This one is the agent phone number, the phone number they there, the address they there. See, if you go my page, you see for there. I post down. I do video concerning I post down. It's no stay, it's not for sale. I see the man. So you go to my page, you will see the man. There you will see the man face picture for there. I see the man. Wait me and bring this man come out my platform. One of us. Now you post the man picture. Very important. Me I not say I not tell you now. No, I go to buy property. We be say, we go don't let now go to win our money. We go don't let now go to win our money. Me I just give now the agent. Me I have post the agent. Now see this agent, so now fake, now scam. Now see this agent. Now scam. This agent now scam. This estate management now scam. Now scam oh. Now the person behind it, me I bring her come out. Wa like wa hiyo wa ga so gumere we ri wa scam wa. Ogudugu wa ogudugu. Me I use that to cover my face. With the idiot. Oui, là, on va aller. On va essayer, hein. À quoi derrière? This no hotel is not for sale. Why use the brain? It's come up, boom. This one where they are the agent with this one. Now scam the bill. But not give them money, but not do any business with them. Oh, Shibahi, this no hotel is not for sale. Well, I'm in China. What already? So guys, join me. If you know so you never follow my page, my new page. My new page. Dollar Wahala Talk Show. I am going there now. Okay. Sorry. No verse, man. Emily B. No verse. Very sorry, sir. Oh, man. You understand? If you don't say you never follow my new page, Dollar Wahala Talk Show. Now, there, now, if you want to go do video now, I am going there now. Follow Dollar Wahala Talk Show. Yeah, beg my signal. I get gift for Enogi marriage. So I will give her the gift for there. So for those of you who want to watch the gift, we want to give Enogi, go shock now today. I want to bust everywhere today. I want to present my award to Enogi marriage today. So just go there with my dollar wahala. Go to Dollar Wahala Talk Show. Oh, Baba. Dollar Wahala. Dollar Wahala. Dollar Wahala.
You guys can't believe what
you get it. Oh yeah, I'm gonna share this video. Let's go to Dollar Wahala Talk Show. For those of you who don't follow the page, you guys are the best. See the video I do for the yesterday. Not too much. Not too much. See what they turn up. But yeah, I'm gonna go follow the page sharp. Now 200 and something people that don't follow the page now. So if you don't see anyone follow the Dollar Wahala Talk Show, go there right now. I'm gonna pin the link down. I think I should pin the link down. Very important. You see the link where I pinned down. Yeah, Dollar Wahala Talk Show. Tebushika, you are blessed. So now the link with that one. So you click on the link, you go straight to Dollar Wahala Talk Show. It is still and therefore one they cure the saga now. When they get a big pass. When they put over their body with two. Alright, so if you are watching this video, you see the link that is being pinned down there. Click on the link, it will direct you straight down to the Dollar Wahala Talk Show. You feel me? So follow the page, like the page and follow the page. And so that whenever I do on live, you can be notified exactly. So don't play. Let's go out and chop our cow because today now waiting. Now also count Tagban feed. We want to go chop rice for Tagban feed. But yeah, I'm gonna go see Tagban feed. Most see how it be. Luxury marriage, not be small thing. Luxury marriage don't lose you. Everywhere don't lose you. Hey, wow, babu. Luxury marriage. They want count woman for your lap. Now, you want count woman for your lap. Person that does not even relate to your family. A no gay is not yet married. Read my lips. A no gay never marry. As far as you want, I'm never going to go. Or do koko you kibe. Umaya want to marry you. My va or the BBM ye. My why. No, and the bond they go. Now continue to the bond they go. I greet all of you now, better start. Understand? Oh, alright. I'm going to leave you guys now and we'll see you guys later. Don't play. Now, bye for now.